with the concept of partial fraction. That means by using the partial fraction we will find the inverse of a Laplace transform. So the concept of the partial fraction as it is as the same of an integral. In case of integration, when we find the integration by partial fraction, that is the same method we use. We will see the topic details. So watch the video until the end. If you are new on my channel, so do like, share, subscribe, and follow on Facebook, Insta, wherever you want to. So let us proceed our discussion. We are doing the inverse of a Laplace transform. Inverse of Laplace transform. So the topic is inverse of a Laplace transform. Okay. So we are doing the inverse of a Laplace transform. So let's suppose our f of s by gs equal to qs. Okay, qs is a function and it is represented by a rational function. Okay, so whenever it is a rational function, to find the inverse of gs, okay, what do we do? Get inverse of f of s upon gs. Let's suppose gs is a factor of polynomial function in S. So it is a factor by alpha 1 s minus alpha 2 dot s minus alpha n. Okay. So this equation will be reduced as inverse of f of s upon s minus alpha 1 s minus alpha 2 dot s minus alpha 3 alpha n. So to find the value of that will be written as s minus alpha 1 s minus alpha 1 b s minus alpha 2 plus c s minus alpha 3 dot cn equal to s minus alpha n. Okay, so that will given us. So to find the value of a, we written as s minus alpha 1 equal to 0. That give us s equal to alpha 1. So limit s tends to alpha 1 f of s upon s minus alpha 2 dot s minus alpha n. Okay, so this is where we can find the value of a. Similarly, when we find the value of b, it will putting the denominator is equal to 0 and taking the limit, that we find the value of b. So that is the case happen. So similar way we can find the value of other constant. So a, b, c, so on. So that is the case. Well, that will reduce us. So s alpha, that will give us f of alpha 1 upon s minus alpha. So alpha 1 minus alpha 2 alpha 1 minus alpha 3 dot alpha 1 minus alpha 4. So that will give us the value of a, b, c, so on. So that is the case. Where it is the partial fraction. So that is the case when we do the partial fraction. Let's do some example. We'll understand it. So let's suppose our question is given by find the inverse of 2s plus 7 upon s square minus 2s plus 3. Now we have s square minus 2s equal to 3. That can be written as gs. So let's say gs, it is written by s minus 1 minus s, okay, plus 3. Okay, so that is our factor. You can find it. So that will give us a upon s minus 1 b upon s plus 3. So to find a value of it, what will do? So it will put 0. Limit s tends to 1 f of s upon s plus 3. What is f of s? So 2 into s plus 7 limit s tends to 1 s plus 3. So that gives us 4 9. So the value of a is 4 by 9. Similarly, b will give us, you can find that 2 into 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 7 upon minus 3 minus 1. So that give us 1 by 4. Okay. So we have find a value of a. Have you got it? So I am reading the equation. So that give us inverse of 9 by 4 b upon that will minus 1 by 4 s plus 3. So that give us 9 by 4 e t minus 1 by 4 a 3 t. Why? Because we know e at t, Laplace transform of e at t is given by s plus a. Since it will be minus, so it will be plus, so that is the case. So I think that you will get the concept of inverse of Laplace transform. Let's do the question 2. So find the inverse of Laplace 2s square 5s plus 3 s minus 1 s plus 2 s plus 3. So find the inverse of a Laplace transform. That is your matter. So I am going to the next portion of the case that happening in the regards. So let's suppose the case what we have taken gs. S is equal to f of s upon q. So why I have taken s? Okay, g dash s and g dash s. So let's say the power of s in function f of s is greater than the power of gs. So we use the method of by using, so we'll divide it by gs. F of s will divide by gs. So gs plus let's suppose. So what we'll do, we'll divide the f of s by gs so that we can. So f of s, when we divide the value of f of s, and we get the required answer. Okay, so let's say f of s by Euclid theorem, f of s, suppose rpx, okay, ps plus r1. Okay, so it will reduce that qx inverse of qx is given by r1 rps upon sorry gs. So r will be outside, gs plus r1 r inverse of ps by gs. Obviously the power of here for all, write down the for all, the power of ps is less than the power of gs. That is the case happen with the. So let's find out, write down the equation. We get what detail. So obviously gs can be factorized there. So let's say our equation is s cube. Find the inverse of s minus 1 and s plus 2. Okay, so we have a function. So when we find the value of gs, that give us s square minus 3s plus 2. Here f of s is what? S cube. So 3 is obviously greater than 2, so we'll divide it. Okay, s square minus 3s plus 2 by s cube. So that will give a go to 1. So s cube 3s square plus 2s. So that will cancel. So 3s square minus 2s. So it will go 1. So that will be 1. Oh, so it will go 3 times. So 3s square minus 9s plus 6. So that will cancel. So it give us 7s minus 6. Okay. So the given equation will reduce as s plus 3 upon, okay, s minus 1 and s 1 unit. Inverse of s cube we can written as, okay, s cube s square minus 2s plus 2, okay, into s plus 3 plus 7s minus 3. 5. I think 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So that will give us s plus 3. Okay. अच्छा, s plus 3 s square minus 2s plus 2 plus 7s minus 6 upon s minus 1 s minus 2. I have got it right. Okay. So I am reading. So when you do it, that will go to cancel. Okay. So s plus 3 plus 7s plus 6 s plus 1. So that give us the Laplace transform of s plus the Laplace transform of 1. Okay. So inverse of 3s 7s minus 6. I am doing this. You can do it by mentally or you can do it. So when we find a value that give us s equal to 1, so 1 minus 2 equal to a will given us 6 minus 1. So minus 1. 2. So I am writing s minus 2 and I am giving it. You can calculate it. Okay. 14 into minus 8. Okay. Minus 1 by. So that gives us 8 upon e, sorry, e 2t minus et. Okay. When we find a value, okay, and what will be the value? We know that. Okay. We know that Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 by s. Okay. So that gives us 3. So s. So in inverse of. So let's write down it as that. So s upon L1 equal to 1. So s equal to L inverse equal to 1. So that is our inverse. So that gives us 3s. So okay. Okay. So inverse of f of s is what? That is our main problem. Inverse I have got it or any wrong? So what is the inverse of f of s? So I think Laplace transform. So let f of s is equal to okay s. Okay. Let's say f of t. Let's f of t equal to t. So here we know that. Okay. Laplace transform of t is what? Equal to n factorial upon Sn plus 1. Okay. So n equal to Sn plus 1. So Laplace transform of t equal to 1 upon s2. So Laplace transform. So Laplace transform of t to the power 0. Zero is the integer. Achha. Laplace transform of 1 will give us 1 by s. Okay. So 1 Laplace transform 1 by s equal to 1. So what is, if I got wrong, what will be the value? Yes. Inverse of f of s will give us what? Can we find it? If you got the inverse of Laplace transform, write down comment. Find the inverse of f of s. First, find the inverse of f of s. Will give us est. Okay, s dt. You will find it. Okay. You will find the inverse of find. I am giving hint. So f of s equal to s. So t. T. So when we find the inverse of f of s, So that gives us 0 to infinity est upon t dt. By using this, you can find the value of s and you put it here, and taking the inverse, you can find it. So I think you have got a option, correct answer. So that is the partial fraction for this. If you got idea, so do more practice on the question I am giving. Find s plus 1, s plus 3, s minus 7, 2. Find the inverse 2. Laplace transform was s cube s plus 1, s minus 2. Okay. Similarly, that is the for homework. Write down the answer in comment section. Thank you for watching me. Again, do subscribe, follow. Thank you.